What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. We're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin has pumped. There's news about Tether using profits, right, to buy Bitcoin. And I think it's about 15% of their overall net profits. So that's really dope. So what we're going to do right now is jump into the Bitcoin price. Hope you've been stacking. Hope you've been DCAing. A bunch of shorts were liquidated. And, that's what happens when you over leverage, right? So we'll jump into the Bitcoin price and we'll jump into CoinGlass as well. With that being said, make sure you hit that like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump right into it. All right, looking at the 30-minute chart, Bitcoin here came up to this resistance level. All right, we jumped up to the resistance level here, which I had an alert at, and now we are starting to come down a little bit. So let's look at market cipher. Looks like we're starting to curve. No red dot yet. However, this is looking pretty good on the hourly. Let's jump to the hourly chart. All right, green dot, and that happened at 10 o'clock this morning. So if you went long at 10 o'clock this morning, based just on, market cipher hourly time frame, you would have made some money. And we pumped all the way from 10 o'clock this morning. So we jumped all the way up from 26.5, 26.6 up to 27.3, 27.4. And right now we're pulling back a little bit. So you could have made some money. Power of market cipher, guys. Really good indicator here. If you are trading, be careful. Don't over leverage. Now on the hourly, looks like we got a lot more gas, right? A lot more gas in the tank. But let's jump to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour looks good. We got a green dot, I think, at the same time. Nope, this is at 12 o'clock today. So we got a green dot on the 4-hour at 12 o'clock today. And what are we looking like on the charts here for the 4-hour? Pumped really good. Right now, again, we're at this point of resistance. And next level here, where the next alert will be at, is 27.6. If we can get past that, then we would continue to move up, and that would be the next level, and we would go to the next level, which would be 28.5. Between 28.1 and 28.5 would be the next level, in my opinion. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's jump to the daily chart real quick. Daily chart, we got a nice wick here. And when wicks are at the bottom like this, that means there's a lot of buying pressure. Boom. Any wicks down here at the bottom, it's bullish. Wicks from the top is bearish, because that's a lot of selling pressure. So as you can see here, the difference in these price action based on the candles. So just be on the lookout for those things. Daily looking pretty good. Let's look at market cipher. We have a green dot from Sunday, which I did a video about Monday. So we were looking for a pump, and then we also have this divergence. So this is looking pretty good. However, money flow is coming down a little bit, but that should probably change because of, obviously, momentum is shifting up. So this should probably change. RSI, stochastic RSI looking good. VWAP looks right in the middle. Jump back down to the 4-hour. VWAP pointing up, RSI, stochastic RSI pointing up. Okay, cool. And then 1 hour. RSI, stochastic RSI pointing up. VWAP pointing down on the hourly, but the momentum wave is up and just getting started here. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, we do have a red candle now. So we are dropping. Let's jump to CoinGlass and see what's going on with the liquidations. Over the last 24 hours, 26 million Bitcoin shorts were eliminated. 12 million Ethereum shorts were liquidated. This is why we tell you, be careful. So look at that. 90%, more 90+% in the last 4 hours were liquidated. All shorts got clapped up. In the past 24 hours, 34,031 traders were liquidated. Total liquidations comes out to $84,092. 84 million $902,000. Wow. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. US dollar value is 1.2 million. $1,200,000. Crazy. Be careful. Be careful, guys. You know, let's look at the long and short ratios. They changed this site up based on what I'm seeing here. So I like the new layout. Pretty dope. So here we can see the long volume here and the short volume here. And then here's a visual representation of that. Look at the last 24 hours. We're almost 50-50 here in the last 24 hours, but you know, the bears just got clapped up, so we'll see how this plays out. %50 long, 49.95% short. Again, just technically about 50-50, just to be safe, right? So we'll see how this plays out. And then here you can see 5-minute time frame, 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. So they added a lot more data to the site. This is coinglass.com. So if you guys want to check that out, check it out. This is how I'm able to see what's going on in the market, get a great idea of, you know, the sentiment, the market sentiment. And, you know, whenever it's too much in one way, the market goes the complete opposite way. So with that being said, that's the market. That's the price, Bitcoin price update. If you're going to trade, be careful. I'm going to leave a link to Bybit, which is not Bybit. I use BingX to trade. So if you want to trade, use BingX. The link is down below. I believe they have some bonuses for signing up if you're going to trade, but I recommend that you just DCA dollar cost average on swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. But you're a grown adult. If you want to trade, just be careful and make sure you set your stop losses and don't over leverage or whatever you do. With that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. See you guys in the next video. I may be streaming live later on to go over a couple different news articles that I saw, especially with Tether buying Bitcoin with their profits. So with that being said, if you guys are down in Miami, enjoy the Bitcoin conference. I may be down there soon. We'll see how this plays out. I do have tickets as well. So if you guys need tickets, let me know, for much cheaper than, you know, what they're selling for right now. So just be careful. Doing whatever that you decide to do, DCA. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. Peace.